Once again, we're going to look at some more land. This land I'm looking at is going to be about $3,500 an acre. But this is the road. This road is going to be asphalted, so the community is getting bigger. Once the road get asphalted, that's going to give it a lot more traffic through here, a lot more people. So I'm thinking about buying my farm, my ranch in this area right here. On my way to check out the land to see how fertile and how rich it is. To see if it would be good to plant all the stuff that I plan on planting on my farm. I'll be back at you. Absolutely, it's gonna be Jay's time. No, but on a serious note, it wouldn't be much of a problem for investors to come here. For investors to come in and invest, maybe $100,000. With $100,000, you probably can build a school, a hospital, and all that is going to bring in a lot of revenue, a lot of capital. Because schools here, they have to pay to go to school. So if you have a school, a hospital, maybe a hardware, something like that, you're creating a small town. Thinking about buying 20 acres. But it's pretty much 20 acres that way. But the water here is very pure. You don't even, and fresh, you don't even need filters on the water. You can just drill a borehole and drink it. That's how good it is. Turn around right here. I wish I would have thought of it first, but Sheila's boyfriend, Charles' father or uncle? Uncle is building a water company. He's basically going to drill a borehole, pump water, put in bottles, and sell that. He's going to hustle that. I want to do that. So he might have some competition around here. But on that land over here, let's go back over here. I see banana trees, mangoes, coconut. What other trees you see? That's the only thing I can identify.
We have bananas, mangoes, and coconuts. Yeah, it's only that.
But
And
once
some
again,
wild trees, I'd say. Yeah.
but the trees I can use for wood. I can cut them down. I can sell them as wood, as timber, lumber.
Yeah.
That's a good business too. Just putting it out there for my people back in the States. It's money to be made in Kenya. It's open for whatever business that you want to do. They go asphalt this road. Here in Kenya, they call it, what do y'all call it? Tire mark?
Tarmac, yeah.
Yeah, they're going to tire mark, but in the U.S. we say asphalt. They're going to asphalt this road, which is going to bring a lot more business, make it more accessible for people to come in and come out. From the main road to here, it might take 5 minutes to get here once it's asphalted. But it's growing, and I'm trying to be part of that growth.
So we have our daddy here.
Welcome YouTube, back at it once again. This is the view. If I buy this land, this will be my view. Isn't it beautiful? On the land we got coconut, we got bananas, mango trees. These are trees that's already there. Not the stuff I'm going to plant. They are already there. Plus they have a cotton tree. But this is my view. We're on the top of the hill. It's a wonderful breeze. It's a little hot, but the breeze is wonderful. You get great Wi-Fi reception up here because you're at the same height as the other towers. Fresh water. What more can you ask for? I can just drill and I have my own water, period. Once I buy this land, it'll be mine. I don't have to pay any taxes, nothing. It's mine forever. I can send it to my great grandkids. That's the most important thing. That's what I'm loving about this. So once I get my residency permit and get everything, get legal, I'm gonna buy this land. Hopefully I have this land by the middle of next week. Hopefully. Pray for me. Once again, black people, you my dog if you don't never catch a rabbit. I'm out.